So if somebody wants digital gold and they change their mind 6 months down the road, they can come to you and they can swap that out for the actual physical gold.
Yeah, of course. Clients can redeem, they can have PAX Gold and come into our store and pay in the form of PAX Gold and redeem actual gold coins. And if you have gold coins and you want to rather have PAX Gold, you can do the same thing. So we are not only selling the PAX Gold, we are redeeming it for real gold coins or collectibles or any other gold that you might be interested in. This is a world first. There's never really been such a connection with the physical presence of the actual pundi machine, which is being used, and the actual crypto being transferred, if you will. But let's be clear, digital gold is a complement, but not really a replacement for physical gold. It's here to stay. Krugerrands and all gold coins are not going anywhere. That's at least what we think.